the snow isn't sloughing off this shelter the way I'd like it to, and so it's kind of piling up right here. And that's gonna get heavy. We get too much snow, it could cause the tent to fall down on me in the middle of the night, and I don't want that. So for the next couple hours while I'm just sitting here listening to my audiobook, I'm gonna keep an eye on that. A lot of snow built up on the tent. Oh.
Whoa, that is getting full.
It's 2 a.m.